Hi, welcome to Utilitarian TV. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove background from this image with the Cutout Lab in Corel Paint to get something like this. That is with a transparent background. So let's get started. Utilitarian TV. Click on the image and select the Edit Bitmap button up here, or simply right click on the image and select Edit Bitmap. Click on Image and select Cutout Lab. Trace the edge of the image gently to the end point. You can increase the nib size here. Tracing the edge is compulsory so that the background can be cut out perfectly. Click on the Fill button to add color fill to the traced image. Then click on the Preview button down here. After that, click on OK to save the cutout image. Close the Cutout Lab tab and save the image. You can save this image in PNG format so that the background can be transparent. Click on Ctrl S, that is to save the image. Choose the directory to save the image on your system. Confirm the file export and click on OK. Adding color to the transparent background, you can import the PNG file into your design. The background will always be transparent as long as if it is exported as in PNG format. This is all for this video. In case if you have any doubts, you can drop your comment in the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel, click on the like button and also support my channel using the super thanks button below. Thanks a lot for watching. Goodbye.